Palaboy Nation, it's me again, Antuy Palaboy ang Pobreng Laagan, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Garden Bloom South, Minglanilla. So, going to explore yung kanilang bahay. Actually, dito ako ngayon sa bahay ng friend ko. So, I just want to show you guys. So, yeah, let me show you the place. Boss Amo! Hello! Hey! Just like princess.
Yes, the second time around. All the way.
Rally!
Hi.
Hello!
Ay,
sa Sagera.
Dalawin sa Antonio. The chilled pipino.
The chilled pipino. Tagbalay. Uy, ganahan sa kusina. Ganang gamera, pero makaluto or yun. And ito yung kanilang living room. So guys, this is the second floor. Ayan. So wala pang next stage ito. Uy! Naman computer shop dire. So guys, nanonood kami nung performance namin. Last performance namin as a group.
Nakalabang tasbol yung kaanak dahil.
Ganda!
Perfect.
Dahil nga nag-aanak ka na, makaka-cheermans tayo.
Oh, pa! Uy! Magpinto yun tayo. Record man na buhay. Bernie! Ano rin mo buhok di ato nung nagkakaon ni mo? O ano kung kain na nga? Anong yard sa rin yung buhok?
Wala mo pinakitaan niya wig.
Pang-kwan ba? Pang-kuyog sa aircon ba? Na delivery ko. Sama na, electric fan. Nandito na siya sa...
Wala rin may
Let's eat!
Kung
sa kitawan siya.
Chilled pipino.
Bless us, O Lord, in this thy gift which we are about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord.
Amen!
Hello! Welcome to my vlog!
Hilak siya?
Wala, nagbuka ng nag-yon ba? Nihuya ba? Wala nag-yon? My God! Welcome to my vlog!
Hoy, naa kay copy, anak. Hoy, ihatag ni Ian. Copy paste lang. Na-approve. Wala man daw ni offer ang agent. When you feel like it, man. When you feel like it, common sense ba? When you feel, it depends. Authenticate, silent U.
Hey guys, so nasa clubhouse kami ngayon. So, good thing kasi meron din silang 3 ring ng basketball dito. Ayan. So, you can use this place to like do your party, occasion, gano'n. Tapos pwede kang mag-basketball dito sa labas.
Hi!
Di ba life starts at?
40.
Ilan ka? Ilang taon ka na?
41.
Stop lying!
41.
Uy, in fairness, maganda dito. Sam, pwede ka na magtakbo-takbo tapos meron kang kanta nga, sa damuhan maghabulan. These people are actually my workmates sa Qualphone. So I've been in Qualphone, Cebu for like 5 years. We will ask them kung if you will describe Qualphone in one word, what is it and why? Let's go, let's ask them.
Family.
Family, why?
I've been in the company for almost 15 years and we're just like one big happy family. Ano ra?
Home,
Home, why?
because Qualphone is my second home, and or if I'm working there, they happy people, they happy environment and everything.
Qualphone.
Speechless.
Because
Speechless.
wala kay gatas. Kung wala Qualphone, wala kay gatas.
Why diaper?
O diaper.
Phone is my shelter for almost 12 years. Kiwo kayo ng dilikaan na doon.
Di ba sabi ko sa iyo mahirap mag-vlog?
Ayaw to eh ko.
Qualphone is my savior. Why? Because only Qualphone out of 7 company accepted me to be a part of the company. And Qualphone is actually my training ground. Qualphone molds me to be a better person and to explore the hidden talent within me. So that's why I love Qualphone.
Qualphone is nurturing. I've been in the company for 11 years. I was nobody, and they helped me to be the best version of myself. Look at me now. I am literally big with a big heart.
Wala ka, gwapo. Nak, kung nasa nagkubo, sabi pala ako nasa ning anak.
Kuya! Hello!
Na, huwag ka sabot ang ginagiging
Baby, oh, baby, baby, baby! Baby! Meet Mamala. Mamala, come here. Come here. Mamala.
Kanina.
Ay, say, kongkong na.
Irene, na. Ayun yung kay Irene. Ito, ito. Regine, ano na?
Bagon ka rin.
Hey guys, I think this is the best time to end this vlog. And if you're not yet my subscriber,
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
For you to be updated with the new videos and new travel vlogs.
alright, so it's me again, Antuy Palaboy, ang Pobreng Laagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible Laagan. Till next time, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!